अस्सलामुअलैकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातहू। आऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम। बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा। चलिए आए हम अपने नए सिलेबस का आगाज़ करते हैं। आवर न्यू सिलेबस बिगिन विथ द पोएम्स। लेट्स बिगिन विथ द पोएम्स। The poem or the first poem, Song of the Open Road. Song of the Open Road. See, this is the picture of open road. I think you don't understand what is meant by open road. Let's see what is given in this poem. We will understand first the theme of the poem and it is written by who. Let's see. The poem Song of the Open Road. It is written by American poet Walt Whitman. He is a poet, essayist, journalist, and he always written his poems in the form of free verse. Do you know, children, what is the meaning of free verse? Free verse, it means the poem is always related by in the free form, or it means in the poem there were no rhyming scheme and no rhyming words. It means if there is no rhyming word, if there is no rhyming scheme, it means free verse poem. यानी जिन पोएम्स में राइमिंग वर्ड्स और राइमिंग स्कीम नहीं होते हैं वो पोएम्स फ्री वर्स कहलाती है। लेट्स सी व्हाट इज द थीम ऑफ द पोएम। दिस पोएम is written by Walt Whitman and it is a beautiful blend of self-awareness, free will and tenderness of heart. It gives us poet's realization that along the journey of the life, one will face a test of wisdom which is not tested in any school or university. A road is something everyone uses it, whether he will be rich or he will be poor, and it forces all levels of people to associate with one another. The road signifies mobility. Mobility, it means move freely from one position to another, usually better one. It means इन आवर रिलीजन, हमारे मज़हब इस्लाम में हम ये देखते हैं कि हमें ये कहा जाता है हिजरत तरक्की की अलामत है, तो हमें हिजरत हमेशा करते रहना चाहिए। यानी हमें एक जगह मुंतकिल तौर पर नहीं रहना चाहिए, मुस्तकिल तौर पर नहीं रहना चाहिए, बल्कि हमें वहाँ से ट्रांसफ़र होते रहना ज़रूरी है, मुंतकिल होना ज़रूरी है। इसको हम मोबिलिटी कह सकते हैं, इसको हम चाहे तो हिजरत भी कह सकते हैं। He says like that. Listen, another thing in the poem. One can take the road as a point to start over towards something new. He talks about the people and places. He argues, he explains against staying in one place for too long, although the hospitality may be true. say, a man is going on. A man is going on, or he is stepping his foot. He is stepping his foot on the road. When we begin with our poem, that time we will see the meaning of foot. Okay, children, let's begin with our poem. Let's see the stanza. Let's see the stanza.